the best one going to go. That's going to be the pub in a second. This is the Henpin, I think, Guinness. And over here is Giggers. Don't know if you can see it. That's Giggers right there. See, Giggers. That's who Giggers is. And that's what this is. It's a busy street. And that's the statue. Usually there's a camera on there, see? Because if you look right underneath that sign, it will show that there is cat food and stuff. And why do you order that's the stop sign? The deal. That's the wrong one. And no, that is good. Those are all the cars going on. That's the back of bowling. That's a weird old car. And that's the Oranmore tail one, I think. I don't know. And why do you pizza? That's all pizza. And what do you want? Oh, look at so many people. So cute. That's our dog over there. My mom and dad. One red hat, my mom's in the bag. And that's a nice boy right over there. I'm telling you, you should stop bullying him. I'm telling you. And these are lovely old cars. See, top switch. See, right over there. And why do the weekend thing? I think I don't know. There's the Ireland flag. All in together, standing tall. Oh, that's a Henpin. And that's a Guinness that I live right close to. The camera right up there. I say hi. Hi, camera. Hello there. Hello. See, that's the Guinness. Look up there. What do you see? Do you see anything? I can't see there, so then you know. That's what's this? My friend Carl lives down that estate. I have no idea what that is. New sign? Oh, something like that. And there's all the cool cars. Plug cars? I don't know. That's the plant over there. That's a really nice one. It's a really nice one. Down there is, pretty sure my friend Connor's son house. And also, my name is also Son. That's Noah. Will I tell you why it's called SDO account? It's because it stands for Sean and Dude. My dad's my dude, and over there is the bank, AIB. I have no idea what that stands for. I'm pretty sure it stands for a lot. That's my dog. Look up there. It's a beautiful tree. Power cord. Oh, house is just up there. I'll show you in a second. That's a long old power cord. That's a tree right there. Look at that old landmark. Oh my gosh, look at that tree. Oh, look at there's a tree right there. See? See? And this place is so lovely. It's nice and quiet, isn't that fast? This is lovely. Right over there, that's where that electric thing is. Right there, that over there is another beautiful tree. And if you look closely, what do you think that looks like? I thought it looked like an owl first, but it was actually an owl. It was actually a bird nest, I think. What's an owl's nest? I don't know. But you can figure that out. So it's some, and that's all. Like it. Oh yeah. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And please and thank you if you can. Those are all lovely cars, aren't they? There's a White House. Oh, look at that beautiful garden. Look at it. Look at that wood van. I think that was a adventure dog. Oh no, that wasn't. Galway beat him. Oh, look at that other dog. And look at him walking by. My dog doesn't go too well with other dogs. That's a man over there. Hello. Hi. I just said hi to him, but I don't know who he is. But I'm still saying hi. Right over here, this is another beautiful garden. Look at all those plants. Look at it. It's a big old house right over there. You'll see in 3, 2, 1. There's that big old house. Look at the fence. Big garden. I have no idea what's on the back. Oh, look at that beautiful blue car. Looks amazing, doesn't it? Hello? He's on YouTube, ladies and gentlemen. We're glad about the gentleman. I'm a man. See? Oh, look at that beautiful platform. Oh, look at it. Look at all those beautiful walls. Look at that sign. That's my mom. Hi, Mommy. Hello.
Hello.
Hello there.
Go on.
And there. What over there? That's another beautiful house in Gordon. Oh, this is the beautifulest house I'd have to say. Other than mine, of course. Yours house is probably amazing. Nice and small, nice and comfy, small garden. Very nice. And this is a beautiful house. I have no idea what else to talk about. So I'm going to just bring you around this place. And just so you know, that's another power line up there. Right there, you see there's a beautiful, beautiful one. Right there, there's a beautiful garden. I think another house is going on construction over there. Oh yeah, there's definitely another house going on construction. You see that house with the black, the no roof, and looks like in black at the top? That house, I couldn't sleep for ages because of it. There's so much construction and a lot. And look right over there, there's a beautiful sign. Oh, look at that beautiful lamp. Oh, there's my mom again. Scaring my coat, my bag. Where do you think that's going? My dad hopefully might be able to blow out what it says there. There's a nice beautiful house. See, look at that beautiful house on construction. Those are nice two lovely men building that house. And look at that van. Don't say hello? Don't say hello? That was a nice man, wasn't he? Look over there. The beautiful white van. And look at there. It's a perfectly sized house. And look there. It's beautiful. Oh, those houses look amazing. Small house, big garden. Small tree, big houses. Beautiful. Ain't it? And look right there. It's a beautiful bush. Now getting close to my house. You see that house there? Right next to that is the one where my house is. They're still putting it in a small bit of construction. But I can sleep now. And look right there. My beautiful mom. Beautiful day. Beautiful van. See, look at that beautiful van. Look at it. Look at it. Well, this isn't a van. Oh my God. It's a tractor. Some of you might like tractors or something. Was it a tractor? I don't know. Comment down below. Because I do not know. Please like and subscribe. I'm building a new pillow because who knows what. But I'm building it definitely new. And you see this house right here? That's my beautiful house. Big garden. Pretty big house. That house is 2 windows. My house is only one. I have no idea. Just try to comment down below. And that's my dad just like, what are you doing, mister? What are you doing, mister? Say hello.
Hello.
This is my dad, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, it's all beautiful black coat.
Okay, I'm going to stop the recording, alright?
Okay. Bye-bye, everybody.